button is probably going to be right here, right here, right there, and right here. So please hit that subscribe button, pound it out. Please do that for me. I'm only at 13 subscribers right now, and I'm trying to hit at least 20 by the end of August. Today I have something really special. I'm gonna be doing two buttons. Probably gonna be right here, right here, right there, and right here. So please hit that subscribe button, pound it out. Please do that for me. I'm only at 13 subscribers right now, and I'm trying to hit at least 20 by the end of August. Today I have something really special. I'm gonna be doing two unboxings today. Not on this video, but check back tomorrow or maybe even on Monday. I mean, on what's today? Today is Monday, so check back on Wednesday. I should have another unboxing video done on Wednesday. I'm gonna record it when I finish with this one. I got heat on deck. I've been really grinding out, and I'm really trying to get some nice fire shit. Now going forward, I see a lot of YouTubers, well, a lot of sneaker guys with the dope shit, and you know, getting a lot of cool shit. And I can get cool shit too. I just need to put my mind to it and actually go for it and actually push myself to go get that coolest shit. So without any further ado, we got the coolest thing, well, one of the coolest sneakers that I've ever seen. Something I've been wanting for a long time, and I don't want to ruin the surprise, even though you probably read it in the title, in the description, you've seen it in the thumbnail. But this is something cool, and I want to get my first reactions to this sneaker. So let me go ahead. I got my scissors. Let me go ahead and open this crazy box. Now the thing is, and the difference between this one and the last one I did, the ray guns, this one is actually wrapped. I prefer this over the whole this box, because I don't want my boxes out, or boxes being, you know, touched by everybody and stuff like that. Sorry, you have to hear this. Off the rip, I can tell it's not in the legit box, but fuck it, whatever. As long as the shoes are dope, I'm good. I'm good. As long as they're in good condition, I'm good. Alright, so you can see, definitely not the right style information outside of the size. So fingers crossed, let's hope this is in good condition. Oh shit. Okay. No shit. No, okay. Alright. So what we have here is a Jordan 7 cigar pack. Well, championship pack. This is the cigars. I didn't get the champagne 7s. I just got the cigars. These dropped June 20th, 2015. These were meant to celebrate and commemorate the 91-92 championship, NBA championship with Michael Jordan. I think that was the year that the 7s dropped, so that's why they released the 7s as a part of this pack. Yeah, let me get the other one out. Oof. Okay. Yeah. I like it. I like it. Don't let my loss for words mean anything other than I do like it. They are a little more beat up than I expected, but still, shout out to Soul Exchange for the quick delivery. Yeah, I really love these fucking lace locks. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's probably 90% of why I got it, was the lace locks. Lace locks are modeled after the championship rings, so I bang with it. Let's get into the shoe. The upper is suede, a nice suede. This came out in 2015. It's 2018 now, so that's about 3 years. So I guess the wear is where it should be at for 3 years. The sole looks really clean. Sole really clean. Yeah, I guess it will. I guess I was expecting a little more, but for what I paid for them, it's actually right there on point. And I'm really happy now that I'm actually looking at them. I have in my hand. I'm really happy with this shoe. I'm just thinking of the ways I can wear this and the combinations I can wear this. These are dope. These are really dope. I'm very pleased with them. Yeah, this Mr. Suede upper, the laces, I read somewhere they were waxy. These aren't as waxy as the older videos that I've seen with them. This lace lock is metal. I thought the lace lock was plastic. The lace lock is metal. That is really dope. I love that. There's something really cool in the insole. The insole doesn't come out. Does the insole come out? Hopefully the insole comes out. Yeah, while I'm fidgeting around with this insole, do what I told you, like and subscribe. But anyways, as you can see, you probably can't see, but I can see in my camera, the insole is leather, and it is the diamond print. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called when the leather is like diamond print, but it looks like an old couch, and that is dope as hell. It's still intact. Everything, like the suede, like in the actual shoe, is cool. Like this whole thing is cool. Let's see what the laces are. Well, hell, they still have them. Yeah, this shoe is like fucking 3 years old, and it still like holds up. One metal, two metal. See, they have the metal on it. So shout out to my guys over there at Soul Exchange. I'm gonna be doing business with y'all some other time whenever I see something else I like. Yeah, the Jordan 7 was my first pair of Jordans. The first pair I got, and also the first pair of fake shoes I bought were brown and yellow Air Jordan 7s. Hey man, I went to Big T Bazaar, saw some Jordans for a nice price. My mom bought them. And then, you know, became a sneakerhead off that. The day I wore them, the day I got roasted, that was the first and last day I wore them. I got roasted from beginning bell to the last whistle of football practice. So I'll never wear them. So I never wore them ever again. Then I bought the Cardinal 7s my senior year, my senior year going into college. Well, after I graduated, I was going into college. I bought the Cardinal 7s. Yeah, man. And so 7s hold a near deep place in my heart. I love Jordan 7s just as much as I love SB Dunks. I love Jordan 1s just as much as I love SB Dunks. I don't know what to say. I love these shoes. The stitching is kind of coming up a little bit, but you know, it's 3 years old. What can you possibly do? I don't know anything about Soul Exchange outside of what I've seen on eBay, but I think that they're like a sneaker consignment place, and these aren't bad. I've seen these. I did a little research. I've seen these going for like 200-300 places, and you know, probably a lot less, probably a lot more worn, a lot more life in them. I just really can't get over these fucking lace locks being metal. Because when I first saw these, I thought they were plastic. Because let's keep it real. All lace locks that Nike does, like the Christmas pack a couple years ago, those were plastic. Lace locks are usually plastic. I don't think Nike and Jordan Brand or Nike really puts that much attention into details like that. I didn't know, but obviously they put a lot of it into this one. These fucking lace locks look like the real rings. This is dope. I'm surprised nobody's made these, like the lace locks necklaces yet. But anyway, these are cool. I really didn't talk about the upper. The back. The pull tab has like gold like accents in it. Yes, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. See, I'm just getting more and more surprised. And then like on the back, the 23, that's cool. Like, yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm truly happy with it. I received shoes before that were super disappointments, and on the scale of super disappointment to like best quality I've ever got, these are probably disappointment being like a 110. Yeah, I would say this is about like a 6. 6. I mean, they got my money. I'm gonna still fuck with them, so it's a 6. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Look at that suede. Like, it looks good on camera. And then look at the back of it. You can't even see, man. Like, this is nice. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. And the sole's not even coming apart. There's a little paint scuff right there, but whatever, guy. Look at the inside. The inside here. Alright. I'm happy. Got some more 7s. Got a champion. Got one pair. Got 50% of a pack. I'm trying to complete at least one shoe pack by the end of this year. Like, I'm trying to get 100 subscribers by the end of August. So you help me with that. You give me 100 subscribers. I'll get one whole Jordan pack by the end of August. Anyway, like I said, it's me, Cool Dre. I'm doing this because I like doing this. I love doing this. This puts sneakers in my closet and makes me happy. So, and it makes you happy. Hopefully you're enjoying this. So anyway, it gives y'all something to talk about with your friends, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, like I said last time, podcast coming soon. I got things work out. More videos coming soon. Go see Sorry to Bother You. No, I'm not being sponsored by it. I don't know what else to say. Go see Sorry to Bother You. Subscribe button right here. Hit this button. Yeah, it's Cool Ass Dre. Instagram, same name. Underlyhype podcast coming soon. Hit the like button. Twitter, dope ass Twit name 91. And I'm out, guy. Peace.